What's up guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Sivrock mountain bike CJ500. It's a very stealthy e-bike. Let's check it out. Hey, this is Nelson and welcome back to the E-RYDERS channel. I want to give a shout out to Sivrock for sending us out the CJ500 for testing and review. And when you get your box, this is what it looks like. Some tape and some staples. Be very careful with the staples, guys. Wear some gloves if you can, as it might get scratched up. Alright, so looking at the bike here on the inside, looks like it's wrapped up with some styrofoam sheets and some bubble wrap. Alright, and we got some boxes up top there. We'll just take a look at. And the first box, we have some accessories. The first one is the pedals, the left and right pedal. And we have some cable ties. We have a red reflector, probably for the back somewhere. We have some Allen wrenches, some tools for assembly. We have the manual. We have most likely the front reflector. And we have the quick release front skewer axle. And the other box we have a display which you're going to have to put on the handlebars. Nice control for it too. Another little baggy Ziploc bag. We got a wrapped wrench and some instructions for the display installation. Alright, there's another box. Inside that box is the charger. And the charger details in the back there. Let's check it out. It is a 2 amp charger, so you're looking at about 7-8 hours to fill it up. Now the bike is really light, so it's not that difficult to pull out of the box there. Go ahead and cut all the cable ties and take off the styrofoam sheets. It's about 95% already pre-assembled, not much to do at all. First thing you want to do is face the stem forward. They just put it backwards for shipping. So loosen those 2 screws and then swing it forward, lining it up with the forks. Make it straight, and then go ahead and tighten it up if you want, or you can tighten up later once you got the handlebars on. Now for the handlebars, take off the 4 screws of the stem bracket there. Alright, so take the handlebars and then you want to line it up. That's going to be pretty easy because they do have some white little hash marks right there. So you can use the little window that's provided on the bracket there. You can see right through where the white lines are, so you know where you want to line it up at. And just put the 4 screws back on. Alright, now for the headlight, it's a quick, easy 1 screw installation right in the middle of the forks on the top. Now don't forget to take your little spacer out of your front pads and then line up the tire on the axle. Line up the brake disc between the pads. Alright, put the front skewer on right through there. And then put the other nut on the other side, and just kind of feel your way for tension. And when you feel it nice and sturdy, go ahead and squeeze it. For the pedals, it's just a quick counterclockwise on the left and then clockwise on the right. Make sure it's nice and tight. Use grease if you'd like. Like I said, don't forget that left pedal is counterclockwise. Alright, for the display, you're going to have to remove the screws so you can wrap it around the handlebars. And once you've got it lined up, you can go ahead and put the screws back in and tighten it on. And all the other controls you might want to line up and tighten also. Now don't forget to plug it in, line up the arrows, push, don't twist. You don't want to break the pins. And you definitely want to get some air in the tire before riding it. And also let's test it, turn it on. We have a full battery bar. Touching the mode button, you cycle through trip and odometer, volume, even the time. Very cool. And you have pedal assist levels, up and down, plus and minus. You go all the way up to 5 levels of pedal assist. Alright, let's check out some of the components. That is the CJ500 all put together, sitting on some huge EST BFT 26x4 fat tires. Moving into the frame here. In that down tube, that is where the battery is. It's a really thin frame, really thin battery. It is a 48 volt 15 amp battery, and it's non-removable, so it's permanently actually embedded into the frame, which is why it doesn't even look like an e-bike. But you can easily charge it. There's the charging port right on top there in the top bar. And moving on down, you have the bottle holder screws right there. And you have a quick release seat for adjusting up and down. Now this seat is pretty thin, but you might want to upgrade the seat anyway. Most people do on most e-bikes. And you have some screws there for if you want to add a rack. And looking down there, you have the Shimano turning derailleur system and your cassette. And you have a 1000 watt peak motor right there, branded Truck Run, I believe it says. Alright. Now, like I said, these are some beefy tires. These are some off-road tires, and we definitely took it off-road, which you'll probably see in a little bit. And here you have some disc rotors, and you have a mechanical brake system. And then moving up to the grips, are very comfortable, nice rubber soft grips. I love the control for the display right there. And it's a large vertical color display. On the right hand side, you've got your 7-speed thumb shifter, and you have a full twist throttle. And you have electric horn. You almost don't even know the throttle is there because it just matches the other side pretty good. But full twist throttle. And then you do have your lockout and preload for your front suspension system. And you have your integrated headlight. And moving on down, you have your front disc for the brakes. And overall, this is a pretty nice, stealthy looking bike. 330 pound payload capacity, and recommended riders are 5'5" to 6'3". Alright, let's go ahead and check out the speed test.
All right, this is the speed test for the Sivrock. We're going to be starting it off in pedal assist level 1 and just using throttle. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, so it looks like about 7 miles per hour in pedal assist 1. We're opening up to level 2. About 11. Open it up to 3. All right, looks like that takes us up to about 15 miles per hour. And level 4. All right, looks like that's about 19, almost 20. Let's do level 5. All right, it's about 24 miles per hour, just under 25. Very nice. All right, we're going to start it off in pedal assist level 5 all the way up. So, all right, and we are going to be just using the throttle. We're not going to pedal because who wants to pedal? You're on an electric bike. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice torque, nice acceleration off the line. Oh yeah, 24 miles per hour, guys. This bike is flying. .1. Awesome bike, guys. No hands. What an awesome bike. Got a horn. Super fun. All right, doing some trail riding of the Sivrock electric bike. Bike handling these trails very nicely. Nice front suspension. Really absorbing all those small bumps and vibrations. Great bike overall, guys, so far. Been riding it for a while now. Haven't had any complaints with it. Nice color display. I mean, what more could you ask for? And you get this bike for under what you'd pay for a phone. Look at him, just tackling all these hills, guys. Haven't found a hill yet that it couldn't get up. Okay. Oh, jeez.
Oh man, the Sivrock CJ500 handled those trails like a beast. If you're looking for adventure, this bike will definitely get you there. It checks all the needed boxes, and at a price of under $1,000. That means you'll have extra money for accessories. And man, do I really love that stealthy look too. No one will know you're driving an e-bike. If you want to check out the CJ500, head on over to the link below in the description, and I'll also put in coupon codes if I have any. Now, if you're into e-bikes like we are, please like and subscribe to the channel and be alerted when future videos upload. This is Nelson with E-RYDERS. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.